millennials look younger than who?
80s babies don't give a fuck. Look, I'm gonna show you how to make this shredded chicken for some shredded chicken nachos, burritos, whatever. I made some super nachos with it. Start off with some cilantro, onion, green and red bell pepper. My red one disappeared. Cut that up, put it in the pot with some olive oil, let it cook down. Hit it with some green chilies and some garlic. And you'll cook that until the onions get see-through. Next, you're gonna add your chicken thighs, cook that for a second, and season it with some chicken bouillon, some cumin, some chili powder, some garlic powder, some onion powder, the no salt organic season or Mrs. Dash, this right here, paprika for color, some black pepper. Then you go mix it, combine, cook that for a second. Then you go come with a can of enchilada sauce and some chicken broth. Bring that up to a boil, cover and let simmer for about an hour. Then it's gonna start falling apart like this. That's how you know when it's ready. Remove the chicken, put it in a bowl, then go ahead and take 2 forks, shred it up, put the chicken back in the liquid. You're done with the chicken now. For the beans, you go ahead and melt you some butter. Then you come with some green chilies and some garlic. Let that cook down for a second. Throw your beans in there. Hit it with some oregano, some chili and cumin, salt, pepper, garlic. Bring that up to a simmer. While that's going, go ahead and heat you up some nacho cheese. Now you just layer chips, beans, nacho cheese, shredded chicken. That shit looking good already. Shredded cheese, melt the cheese. Then go ahead and throw every motherfucking condiment you want on there. I had sour cream, pico, jalapenos, some guac, some more cilantro. You know what I'm saying? I cut another quarter off the brick and crumble that on top. You know, it's a wonderful good time.